In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a CMS collection in Webflow. Let's get started. Open your Webflow project and go to the CMS panel. Create a new collection or open an existing one, then add the fields you need, such as text, images, dates, or links. Add a few CMS items so you have content to display on your website. Open the Add Elements panel, drag a collection list onto your page, then connect it to your CMS collection using the collection list settings. Add elements such as headings, text, images, or buttons inside the collection item, then connect each one to the appropriate CMS field using the Get Content From option. Preview your page to make sure your dynamic content displays correctly, then publish your website. That's how to set up a CMS collection in Webflow. Thanks for watching.